Hello, teacher. My name is Nicolás Riasco de Riascos. I'm to talk about the price of my favorite store. Teacher, start. The price of the rice is 2,000 pesos. The price of the oil is 12,000 pesos. The price of the flour is 2,500 pesos. The price of the suit is 2,000 pesos. The price of the beans is 5,500 pesos. The price of the Maggi is 12,000 pesos. The price of the pie is 10,000 pesos. In this moment, I don't have pie. Okay, teacher? Okay. The price of the cracker is 12,800 pesos. The price of the lentils is 500, 5,000 pesos. Teacher, thank you very much.